students, exercise 2.2, the last part, sum number 14. An annuity immediate is to be paid for some years at 12% per annum. So rate is given as 12% per annum. The present value is given as 10,000 and the accumulated value is also given. Find the अमाउंट ऑफ ईच एन्युटी, मतलब हमें फाइंड करना है सी, जो एन्युटी फाइंड करना है वो सी है. प्रेजेंट वैल्यू, अक्यूमुलेटेड वैल्यू बोथ आर गिवन. Then the formula is 1 upon p minus 1 upon a is equal to I upon c. So here what is given? First rate is given, that is I. I is how much? 12% per annum ना, 12% है ना. So 12 upon 100, that is equal to 0.12. Next, present value is also given as 10,000. So P is given as 10,000. And one more, A is also given as how much? 20,000. बराबर है. तो P भी दिया है, A भी दिया है, I भी दिया है. तो C फाइंड कर सकते हैं? कर सकते हैं. So 1 upon 10,000 minus 1 upon 20,000 is equal to 0.12 upon C. So are the denominators same? No, they are not same. So what to do? Multiply by 2. So you will get 2 upon 20,000 minus 1 upon 20,000 is equal to 0.12 upon C. So 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 20,000 is equal to 0.12 upon C. Cross multiply. Therefore C is equal to 20,000 into 0.12, मतलब 12 upon 100 cancel. C is equal to 12 to the 24. 12 to the 24. Answer is 2,400. Hope this is clear. Okay, easy है. The next sum is sum number 15. For an annuity immediate paid for 3 years with an interest compounded at 10% per annum, the present value is given. P, present value is given. What will be the accumulated value? मतलब ये वाला सम जो है ना, नॉर्मल कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट वाला सम है, जहां पर प्रिंसिपल दिया रहता है और हमें accumulated वैल्यू फाइंड करना रहता है. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? जैसे कि मैंने बैंक में सपोज 1 लाख रुपए डाल दिया 3 साल के लिए, 10% के हिसाब से कितना मिलेगा? तो डायरेक्टली कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला आता है. फॉर्मूला है A is equal to P 1 plus I raised to n. This is the formula of compound interest. Now when this formula is used, when present value is given and we are supposed to find the accumulated value. So P is given as how much? 24,000. I is given as 10%. So 10 upon 100, that is equal to 0.1. And n is given as how much? 3 years. Okay, formula is P 24,000, 1 plus I is 0.1, n is 3. So 24,000 into 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1 raised to 3. So 24,000 into 1.1 raised to 3 is 1.331. So it will be 24,000 into 1331 divided by how many zeros? 3 zeros. Cancelled. Now multiply. 24 ones are 24, 4 2, 24 threes are is 72 plus 4 is 74, 72 9 7, 24 ones are 24, 31, 31944 rupees, 31,944 rupees. The last sum of today's video and the last sum of this exercise also, sum number 16. A person sets up a sinking fund in order to have rupees 1 lakh after 10 years. Now once again the meaning of the sinking fund. Sinking fund मतलब क्या मालूम है क्या? He wants to keep aside something every year. हर साल उसको कुछ पैसे रखने हैं. Sinking fund रखा है. And at the end of the period he gets an accumulated amount. समझ में आ रहा है? That investment is called as a sinking fund investment, where a person keeps some amount at the end of every year. A person sets up a sinking fund in order to have rupees 1 lakh after 10 years. What amount should be deposited biannually? Now the word biannually, very important, mark करो. Biannually means semi-annually, half yearly. मैंने सिखाया था. Quarterly divide by 4 multiply by 4. Semi-annually divide by 2 multiply by 2. बस that's it. कंपाउंडेड सेमी एनुअली, अरे बराबर है। चलो आसिन ना, सम क्या है आसिन, ए सी आई एंड एन, एन ए इज हाउ मच, एक्यूमुलेटेड अमाउंट इज गिवन 1 लाख रुपीस उसको चाहिए 10 साल के बाद, कितना साइड में रखने का है वो फाइंड करना है। व्हाट अमाउंट शुड बी डिपॉजिटेड बाय एनुअली, हर 6 महीने में कितना अमाउंट डिपॉजिट करने का वो फाइंड करना है। I is how much, 5%, that is 5 upon 100, that is 0.05, and semi annually है ना, तो 0.05 divided by 2, that will be 0.025, okay, and how much, 10 years, बाप रे, n is multiplied by 2, that is 20 periods of 6 months, याद है ना, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 एंड डिवाइड बाई 2, याद रखो हाँ भाई, सेमी एनुअली का फॉर्मूला a is equal to c upon I, 1 plus I raised to n minus 1, so a is how much, 1 lakhs, c is how much, I don't know, I is 0.025, 1 plus 0.025, n is how much, n is 20 minus 1, बट आंसर तो दिया रहेगा ना, 20 है तो क्या हो गया, so 1 lakh into 0.025, so 1 lakh into 0.025 मतलब 25 अपन how many 0, 1 2 3, बराबर ना, is equal to c, 1 plus 0.025 is 1.025 raised to 20 is 1.675 minus 1. So 25 into 100 is 2500 is equal to C into 0.675 minus किया, तो C is equal to 2500 divided by 0.675, तो C is equal to 2500, नीचे पॉइंट के बाद 3 नंबर है तो 1 2 3 और 675, बराबर ना, 25 ones are 25 twos are is 50, तो बचेगा 175, twos are is 50 बचेगा 175, 25 sevens are is 175, बराबर ना, 25 twos are is 50 बचेगा 175, 25 sevens are is 175, therefore C is equal to 1 lakh divided by 27, ये डिवाइड करो तुम लोग, you will get the answer, so you will get 3703.703703 ऐसे आते रहेगा, डिवाइड करो हाँ तुम लोग, ऐसा डिवीजन करो, 27 का टेबल का रखे आना चाहिए, ऐसा डिवीजन बड़ा बड़ा नंबर का डिवीजन आना चाहिए, बिकॉज मैथ्स में यही आएगा, तो C का वैल्यू है 3703 रुपीस एंड 7 पैसे, so approximately it is rupees 3703.7 और 70 पैसे, okay।